Hare Krishna. Today our satsang is chapter 15th, sloka 7 of the Bhagavad Gita, where Lord Sri Krishna is saying that all the living entities in this material world are my eternal fragmental parts, but due to their material existence, they are struggling very hard with mind and six senses. So let us understand this shloka. All living entities are my eternal fragmental parts. They are in me. They are mine. They are my sons. And we are in different conception of life. We feel somebody else as our father, mother, etc. So Krishna is reminding us in this shloka about our true identity and true designation. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. His nature is the most supreme spiritual nature, Satchitananda Vigraha. And because we belongs to this, his nature, his parts, Mama Evanshu, then we are also the part and parcels of Satchitananda Vigraha. We are also totally spiritual, full of bliss and knowledge. But Krishna says they are struggling, karshati, prakruti sthani karshati, manha shata indriyandrani, with mind and senses, because we have adopted a material body. We have adopted a different way of living, which is not true to our own self, which is not our original nature. So this indicates our separation, total separation from Lord Sri Krishna. And this separation is the same separation as a father separates from his son. So Krishna made his claim, yes, you are all my parts, my sons. Then why we have adopted a different way of materialistic life is the point of consideration here. Because we have rejected the spiritual way of life, we refuse to serve the Krishna, we refuse to adopt devotional service. We have been provided a materialistic way of life. As the criminals is provided with the way of life in jail, because they refuse to obey the laws of nation. In the same manner, we refuse to obey the love and affection of Krishna, and we wanted a separate identity for ourselves apart from Krishna. We have adopted a materialistic way of life which depends on the karma. In the material world, everything that produces is the result of karma. Without karma, not a single thing can be produced. So, even your own body is a product of karma. and all family related to body is a product of karma, society is a product of karma, nation, world, everything is a product of karma. And because karma has a beginning and an end, your material life, family has a beginning and an end. So these material fathers are always changing according to the karma, births and births. And in every birth, you are creating a house and a family. And ultimately, with death, it perishes. And this is the results of your total dissatisfaction, the temporary nature of materialism. But you do not belong to this material nature. You belong to the Krishna's nature, supreme spiritual nature. And that's why Krishna is saying you are struggling, forgetting the most dearest, richest, wealthiest father. You are struggling with mind and senses like beggar here. Because material nature is superimposed and superficial arrangement for your existence, you are not satisfied because you are missing original nature. As a fish is taken out of water and kept in some other acid form of water with some other acid, it will not satisfy because it is not the nature of the fish to live in some acid. Its original nature is to live in water. In the same manner, we have been separated from Krishna and we are searching the happiness in some other source and other way of life, that is materialism, and we are dissatisfied births and making a new experiment in every birth for happiness, and we are again failing at the end. So this cycle is going on and on. And because Krishna is all merciful, now he is giving you a chance to get yourself situated in your original nature of spiritualism and to get associate with original father through devotional service. That is called bhakti. So immediately adopt bhakti in your life and start chanting Lord's name, Mahamantra, or any other Lord's name you want. And start practicing devotional service so that you can originally constitute yourself in your own blissful nature. Give up this petty materialism, a source of dissatisfaction which burns like fire, it is never satiated. And give up at once right now. Births and births have passed, and every time you fail to give up these things. Now don't waste this precious life. Among all lives, human birth is rarely obtained by the mercy of the Lord. So Krishna has declared it, yes, you are my sons now, no problem, you come back to me. Krishna's revelation itself indicates his adoption to you now. He is desperate to adopt you. And now you also make a move, a first step towards him by giving up all this nuisance in you. Oh, if you do this, then you will be existing in your blissful original constitutional position. That is called Satchidananda, eternal, full of knowledge and bliss. This is the secret of this shloka. And get your original father and start enjoying life with your own father. Thank you and Hare Krishna.